Okay, Laura, this page looks really pretty. It definitely supportive of the Tiffany brand. Really good type selection. I think the slight bit of red works really nicely for holiday.
Welcome to Holiday Styling to Sell Training. Click Play All to review the entire course,
Okay, now
or click
this
on
is
one
my
of the
one
sections
concern
to
here.
continue.
All right. First of all, I wouldn't have these as red lines. I understand that it's the holiday collection and the
If
red
you'd like to return
ties
back to this
back
page
to that original concept of the holiday, but it's not
at any
carrying
time,
through here,
click the
okay?
home
It's also kind of heavy.
icon
So
to
the
navigate.
other thing is really the voiceover. I mean, this is Tiffany, and it's really a classic brand, and it's a jewelry in general is an intimate purchase. It's something that's lasting. If you look at, you get that blue box, people want it. So I feel like the voiceover is really not personal enough. So I'm just gonna click. I would change that. And then we have no voiceover, okay? And that's a little bit of a problem. And the way this is set up here with the layout, I
Roll
mean,
over each collection
that
to
went
view more
really,
details.
come on, that went really quickly. I really didn't have a chance to read this because, you usually start in the upper left, but I think what you're doing is you're starting in the upper right. I'm not sure if you're starting in the lower right. So it's kind of an odd way to set this up. And I almost feel like, um, it if you had the voiceover, it might actually set this up a little better. As a training module, I wish that it said what you're going to get after you complete this training. It almost feels like it says play all, and that almost insinuated a game to me. So I feel like if you're going to do an instructional thing, you want to set up the objective so that you can test it at the end. I would make it more personal. I would have your voice, and instead of all that text, actually um, have a narrative. Let's go check out your assessment. Now, download the Silver Looks PDF. I have no idea where that is, Laura. Using the ideas and SKUs provided to create a look for your three clients. Okay, this is kind of a disconnect here. It probably works inside of your office, but honestly, I shouldn't have to go find. This is like a treasure hunt. I don't want to have to do that. You want to make sure that they actually can complete the training, and that's really important. So let's go back. That was pretty challenging because I don't really know where I'm supposed to go there.
Welcome to Holiday Styling to Sell Training. Roll over each look to view more details.
I wouldn't have that girl. That's not really a Tiffany brand thing, I don't think. I mean, from my mind, maybe you did this work. I'm not sure, but it seems odd that they would actually use a picture of somebody like that. They
Welcome
usually
to Holiday
rarely use
Styling to
photos.
Sell Training.
Let's go to
Click Play All
activity.
to review the entire course.
Your activity is actually part of your assessment. Make sure that if you use an initial caps that you're consistent. All right. So column 1 to column B, basic blow. Like I didn't really see this in the presentation. Anyway, the real key here is make sure you set up the objectives of the learning module. Make sure that your narrative is in place and it's not just a series of screens that you read. And try and have the assessment or activity be part of what you're training. And it would make more sense. Okay.